Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Welcome back to the new vocabulary vocab session. WORKSHATS class. You can watch all the vocab classes that I have made previously in the playlist. So you can enjoy and learn vocabulary. So let's begin with today's class. You can see here first word, Hochwasser. Hochwasser is nowadays very popular. In Delhi there is a flood. In other parts of the country as well as in entire world, in some of the region we have seen the flood in recent days. So Hochwasser means flood. Hochwasser. Okay, flood is called Hochwasser. Or we can say Starkregen. There is another word I have mentioned here, Starkregen. Starkregen means very strong rainfall. If the rainfall is strong, we consider it flood. Okay, waterlogging at different places. So Hochwasser, das Hochwasser. Okay, so das ist auch ein Problem, wenn es Hochwasser gibt. There is also problem. Hochwasser is not good. Okay, flood is not good. This is natural calamity. Okay, so Hochwasser ist nicht gut. Then we have next word. I have read this news online, so I thought I should teach you these words as well. I should discuss these words actually with you. Hollywood Schauspielerinnen treten in strike. Hollywood actors are on strike. Can you see this? Schauspielerinnen. What I have written here? Schauspielerinnen. What is that? It is plural form actually. Schauspieler is male, Schauspielerin is female. But if I say plural for both, मैं दोनों को plural बनाना चाहता हूँ, male और female को. So I will use this asterisk sign and this is the spelling. Schauspielerinnen means male and female, both I am talking about. This we use for plural form. We use it for plural form. Schauspielerinnen means male and female. Like if I say another word, suppose Lehrer. So Lehrer and then asterisk sign and then Lehrerinnen means male and female teacher both. So this asterisk sign plus this spelling we use basically for plural form in which male and female gender are included. Remember, this is very good thing. You should know. Sometimes you want to write plural of a noun, but you are confused. How can I write male and how can I write female? Should I use two different words? No. You can write like this. It means this plural is applicable for both male and female. Interesting. Next. So treten in strike. In strike, treten means they are on strike. They are on strike due to some reasons. So this was in news recently. So in strike, treten, this is our vocabulary. Schauspielerinnen treten in strike. Okay. Mitarbeiter treten in strike. So in strike, treten, this is the verb treten. Next word, schützen vor. I have mentioned this word. I have discussed this word earlier also. Schützen means to protect. For means against. Schützen for Hitze, heat. Dürre means when there is scarcity of water. Okay, Dürre. And Starkregen, very heavy rain. So these are actually not good for the human beings. So we should protect ourselves from heat waves. Yes, Hitzwelle, Dürre, सूखा पड़ जाना. And then Starkregen, heavy rain. So schützen vor. Wir sollen or wir schützen uns vor Hitze. Man schützt. Schützen with man it is schützt. Third person. Schützt. Man schützt for, this is dative. Hitze, Dürre, Starkregen. Next, nowadays people are still working from home. Von zu Hause arbeiten, or we can say im Home Office arbeiten. People work in home office. Home office arbeiten. Sie arbeiten von zu Hause. We also say von zu Hause, work from home. Okay. Von zu Hause arbeiten or ich arbeite im Home Office means I don't go to the office. Ich bleibe zu Hause und ich arbeite. Das heißt, mein Haus ist wie mein Büro. Ich habe einen Tisch, ich habe einen Laptop und ich arbeite. Ich arbeite zu Hause, ich arbeite im Haus. So das heißt im Homeoffice arbeiten. In another word, we say von zu Hause arbeiten. Viele Menschen arbeiten noch von zu Hause. They still work from home. They still have work from home. In India, many companies are still offering work from home. Although it's been long time since pandemic is over, but worldwide it's the latest trend. You have also seen that still companies are hiring for work from home. So that is another good opportunity for all of us. Der Anstieg der häuslichen Gewalt. Gewalt, die Gewalt. This is genitive. D changes into der. Der Anstieg means increase of domestic violence. Häuslichen Gewalt means domestic violence. Domestic violence. Gewalt, die Gewalt. Die Gewalt. Die häusliche Gewalt. Genitive, der häuslichen Gewalt. En ending. In genitive case, ending is en. Anstieg means increase. Increase in domestic violence. Okay. Increase of domestic violence. Anstieg. Actually, Anstieg, this is the verb. Okay. Or we can also say erhöhen, increase. Steigen, simple verb. We use steigen to increase. But noun is der Anstieg. Increase of domestic violence. घरेलू हिंसा का बढ़ना. हाँ, घरेलू हिंसा के केसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा देखने में आ रहे हैं. Next, etwas so aussieht in der Zukunft. Like I predict, I foresee. Okay, in der Zukunft sieht die Wirtschaft so aus. Die Wirtschaft aussehen. Wirtschaft means economy. I can predict कि फ्यूचर में इकोनॉमी कैसी होगी. Die Wirtschaft sieht so aus in der Zukunft or in 20 Jahren. In coming 20 years, how does the economy look like? How does the environment look like? How does our ecosystem look like? Okay, etwas sieht so aus in der Zukunft. Something appear, something look like so in the future. This is another good structure. Zukunft means future. Aussehen, separable verb. Aus and sehen. And the last word of today's vocab class, die beliebtesten deutschen Inseln. There are certain very, very popular German islands. You must be aware. Sylt, Rügen, Fehmarn and Usedom. You can see the spelling here. Sylt is very common island. We have read this in the textbook. And then Insel, Rügen, die Insel. Article is die. Die Insel, Rügen. Ich war auf der Insel. We use the preposition auf. And then Fehmarn and then Usedom. U-S-E-D-O-M. Usedom. So we use the preposition auf. Auf. Auf die Insel. Article is die. Always, okay, particular, because these are fixed. These are the island, so we can use the fixed article. Die. Insel is die. If you say I was on that Insel. Ich war auf der Insel Rügen. Insel Rügen, Insel Sylt. These are very, very popular destination. Popular holiday destination. Leute machen Urlaub. Leute fahren in Urlaub. Okay, ich fahre auf die Insel Rügen. In Ferien. Mein Freund fährt auf die Insel Sylt. In Sommerferien. My friend travels to Insel Island Sylt in the vacation. I go to the Insel Rügen Island. So that's all in today's class. I hope you enjoyed today's class. You can watch our all previous Worksheets video in the playlist. I have made separate playlist for the Worksheets. You can every day join us live in the evening 9 p.m. or timings. If there is any change, I post in the Telegram group. You can follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. All these links you will find below in the description. Thank you so much for joining. See you next time in one more interesting and knowledgeable video. Till then, bye bye. Cheers. Auf Wiedersehen.